legend number samala touch de shugiye ta taring ta gombe rewa nangshinge ta che nga lo tukju simle chekar tende che segiyore inaya ta jeba tende ne kaka me ta che jojo chudu machimbu densa rumte ne re tene jamgon javi jatsap rumbuchi densa ne tene dubla mampoche dubla pe ne tene tsedo tsonang yore tende ta de kabla chek chija Khan, Tajik, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Tendo Mambochine, Loma Tende Mambochi, Kalejam, Tendechi, Yongdu, Tendo Ta Samala, Ta Ying Tabane, Tujishi Shua, Tendechi, Ta Taring, Ta Namshe, Ta Chaba, Tende Lamka de Yaba Maba in the Tene Mambochi, Yama Pego, Ta Kungal. Jachacha yobare tende ta yena ya ta tende pep to botela ing tabane tene gaso ta tene no age ta to the number kondo chen number chama tene kutse ring neme tene to the tamchen to be manam shooting to che Hey, we met. Nice to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, Asti. Anything else? 서서다 맞아. 모두 좀 지내나 먼저 오늘 그래 지내나 게임 뭐는 야 아루나샤도라 뭐 먼저 자 따로 보러 거는 자 따라요 소대 봐. 나는 뭐또 게임만 하네. 라마 lama kita baru tu 10 minit lama banget. Never macam bisa.
Usually on social media also interesting.
From last year, I had to teach online. Earlier, I was quite good, but I was jatuh. That is hanya boleh tak saya nak. Kalau foreign mata pun kita, ada satu negatif issue.
par samo kaju je tembe dapo chabje samo kawar mboche kama chuchon temba namjar par zambo chu tendan rowe ton do koi chewa jebe chor tene polok tar gongdron tukchur shirpo le pepe koi chongkar tan der rimboche chola kadi jeren tang temyo tambar chejen zegon di ge thu uyo kadi labi de chebe chabje samo kawar mboche chu ke upe densa chamber ronte zu gongkha nam je kachap nam batang jase laptur thelok gebe khini chamne gendu di den namba yen tran zagon de ge kondon chowo de jong na de jong ge chichap long chen tamo golen chu de yu tar charge thob yo chang lower jen zede la tene ko ngoso phebjor majong wa yina yang Konga kachat chom shanda tamon chu tang tagana yi ke muksar kondong de jong nga de jong ke chore kalong ko yep sono lama chu tagana yi ke muksar kondong lombo sono phunjam ba chu muksar kondong lombo kalare chu Tagana yi ke chichep longchen cho ke sepo aditya golen cho de jong yong chorek le khong ke tongyek kong pasam cho yen yong chabje kawon ro bochin cho ke kunchi namba lenje Tagana yi ke seje yodo khane pepe cho ke lama namba tang cho ke deyu deden lama namba Tagana yi ke sanen di ngoti zube mamo namba che terender den zamba chama la chomba lekso tang somde tahi delay sene shuju yin
Today, on the auspicious occasion of 60th birth anniversary of His Eminence Kama Karwa Chujan Temba Namge Pazambo, the supreme lineage holder of Surmang Kaju lineage, celebrating his enlightened act of taking birth for the sake and benefit of the teachings and all sentient beings. Today marks the 60th anniversary according to the Tibetan calendar. On this occasion of offering long life ritual and making mandala offering of the representation of enlightened body, speech, and mind, I would like to begin with offering my heartfelt respect and honor to His Eminence, the 12th Trungpa Ngawang Rinpoche. I would like to offer my respect and welcome the representatives of all the monastic seats presided by representatives of Rumtek Monastery, including Tukus, Khembus, and all the Sangha community who have joined us from various monastic seats. I would also like to offer my greetings and welcome HCM Madam Sarda Tamang, wife of our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Sri Prem Singh Tamang, who had been invited to the ceremony but was unable to attend due to an urgent visit to another state. Likewise, a warm welcome and touch delayed to our esteemed guests, Sri Sonam Lama, Minister of Religion and Education of the Government of Sikkim, special guest MLA Mrs. Sonam Punjumpa, MLA Mrs. Kala Rai, former MLA Mr. Aditya Gole, the son of Honorable Chief Minister, Ecclesiastical Secretary Dr. Pasang, and the close family members of Kyabje Sumang Ngawang Rinpoche. I would also like to extend my greetings and touch delayed to all the lamas and devotees of the centers from overseas and all our Dharma friends of this area who have gathered here today.
今天依照西藏传统的阅历呢，是苏曼嘎区无上持教的尊贵的仁波切，伽玛嘎旺曲中登贝南讲帕桑巴，他为了利益佛法，为了利益一切众生，转世60周年的纪念日。那么在今天很特别的日子里面呢，我们在这边呢，向仁波切呢来献长寿佛的仪轨，同时呢向他来行身口意的供养。那么借此机会，我要向尊贵的噶旺仁波切表达内心深沉的敬意。同时呢，也利用这个机会，向以龙德寺为首的各大寺院的代表表达最高的敬意。那么同时呢，也向今天来参加法会的尊贵的贵宾，因为今天我们西京总理呢，他另有公务，没有办法参加，所以呢，由总理夫人马丹萨达达曼来代表参加。那么我向他表达尊贵的敬意，同时呢，也向今天来参加这个书证法会的尊贵的贵宾，西京宗教教育部长西松南拉玛，还有松南邦作马，还有伽玛拉赖、阿迪达亚科雷、帕桑博士。那么同时也向噶旺仁波切他的亲近的家属表达热烈的欢迎以及敬意。那么最后呢，也利用这个机会向所有参与盛会的喇嘛，那么从各地来参加的非常有信心的法友，以及呢，在我们这个地方呢乡亲好友，表达最大的谢意。
这刚才呢，仁波切就到了。公众主角是过了拍拍，拉不得人给个人冲到个你们的，去这个要的，这些的，卡萨有马切吧？伊那， 아니 gomba ke ngone rinpoche ko da dingdong tukyo le phebe ke chungkar gaton jeba ching soya ke da ji chomo no no ne rinpoche le ya kan de shudu kabla kan de gongko to se ji thawi re yina yang da nyebe ke cha la yi jo ke de se kha che chongwa le de ne rinpoche ke da dingdong tukyo le phebe ko chungkar jeba mewa zang de mazi ba namju tar de da ji chungkar la chugor to ya tang ta na ji ke ga ga to chya ke losur ji yo ba de yang meba no ne o to se re ta de some chen sar ta de rang ja na ji me to kon pho pa ka par jang ka ma ba origin do de tele wang to ji chu ke yap tom ba tang ta na ji ke nyebe ke cha ke ji chun jam se rin bu che bomba chang pepe yi jo ke ne so to se chung la ten ne no ne so ti re sin xue yin yin na yang da ren bo che da da ba de gong zhong zhu jue la shi bo ma song ji ba de ke se shi bo nim se to mi ji to ne jer ten ba da la bo de long go ka ji be ten ba yong go se so mo ka ji ke ten be ke tang de la nim se to mi ke to ne ke sa object ke to ne o to se ne ten ji tong che la bo chi yin no song zang ani gomba dang daga na ji bin de yo gon de kha ge ga di je de ji gon ni ji ten yo tamber ma ho ba la na ko se bo chone dang cho yo yong ge to ne ten ju dang che la bo chi jong no yong ge record son de ben de ge to ne o to cha de yo re sin xue ni de ni ti gen zer ni do de do dus ma sho cho bo chi si xue zeram dang bo de la somo tembe ngab da chap ji somo ka ho ro bo chi chu Pona jaling da jete soba sarje nang choche konga ra no de chipjur mo so nang te manje donge te ba choji chala juk so sorje te trip simbali zeren ni ba tukyu yon de unji la ne ten juk tambar jin domba okor tang tra shipes tem je sorja jeser ndengbar shujes ate trip simbali zeren simba sumo gonjin kembo top den chu ne Jabje sumo kawar mo chu ke nom than ning du boki ke to ne mo tu no je tang ti ge je so tso tko kam ma phu jam chen yen phe rambo chi chu ne yin ki to rambo chi chu ke ani nom thar ning du je nyen ro shu to se nis
Now, I shall relate the events that will now take place in memory of the kindness of the glorious master of Sumong Kaiju lineage, His Eminence Kamakong Chochon Temba Namgil, Tinle Kunja Pazambu, who took birth for the sake of the teachings and sentient beings, and who, in accordance with Tibetan custom, has now reached his 60th birthday. After completing escorting His Eminence Sumang Kawar Michi, the supreme lineage holder of the Sumang Whispering lineage, with the traditional grand welcome ceremony to the main Srin Hall and interment on the Dharma throne, and commencement of the long life ritual and offering prayer for the chanting master and offering of the ceremonial sweet rice and tea. Now, for the third program of the ceremony, Khenpo Topden will give a brief biography of His Eminence Gyabje Sumang Gamoramichi in Tibetan, and Tuksu Tuku will give the same in English.
Tiring Paul Karma Suman Shiru Chogo Linder Suman Kajuji Tembe Tabo Dacha Nanji Meto Kangla Pobe Hakal Kyabji Kolu Gombo Kyabji Suman Kangarumicho Konglo Tukjula Pepe Kui Chongargi Tenje Gzeko Dara Che Pep Nawe Kyabji Suman Kangarumicho Dringi So Jejun Chika Longshinki Koda Sarda Taman Shodan Gwene Lekungi Lombo Kusha Sona Lama Sho Sani Lombo Sona Penzomba Zu Lomba Nambadang Gendrong Rumbuji Konkor Lengi Tang Kyabni Gidu Gide Tedi Mima Yola Tomar Samjitrashi Delisho Tiring Dachanam Gikadi Sunda Machiba Chimbo, Kyabji Suma Kangarumaji, Kui Tenwazima Juniba Chimbo, Sembe Pemangombar Shene, Kongdang Tukjula Pepe, Trashi Tendriki Duzangdar, gombo kanga namtar dorgi samshi shuala teya rinzi tsangwan no telung le jaga dutu chimbo bewa ba buyu tushu chubi ugensin erme doga chundo gardion she sumba tara dutu chimbo bewa ba dang kejo ugen ba ni gi jentar shalji sheba kawa kutun rambar chimba le kuyi tengwa zimba juni ba chimbo kawa chujung tema namji chuni beyu drimu jongdar yapcha di yawa sonan jasoda yung drejung chuja chingyu simu sonan pardini ki seso rabzun chube medruglo chilo chikton gubja chukchu renga dawa chube tseba sumju nim kuyi tsembe ngombarashi teang rumbuchi kong yungi lumsu shume dawa nisam sum masin kong tensa rumti ki zego chimbu shiki todu chuja tashi namgi kongkol lingi nyamshu nang yundu zego kap busu yebashin namta chaki namgi tashibi chuzi jawar doji chola puye jawan choga drimi shiki zikbe drijong jarbo simu lumsu kamki lama sumang kawa rumbuchi shukdube tela puchi ichi yorme doji kalongi ngashi tenze ki chewa goni chuze kyang puye tome chashi tenze chunju ki munzinang kunja misebe tebadang ichibe pema rabdu gebar jor shoba ngama kutumbadang jawan chola mashu kong tuk ishik zikbe dilya sanje chuku nabza chuso da sungar chetang nawa niye zong lo chogo ring rumbuchi sungar zene yapsangdo ko made parto shok yapsangi kyang nyingur sabji shok kongdang chuni de shingru lor densa rumti shiru chogo lingdo jamchu chudukwa chingyu jimi chuka chala ko ne ngedun chujung doji yangse do ngasor ze telope namcho chungma se kuchung chuni ba karma kawan chujung temba nungja chingai kunja par zambo we she chen sor 이기 드로니 우samte karma shiri nalin shedane kinchi changro moji choda kimbu choda tempe zube kejo dume chungme donga rigne de cheba senjo tarchima nani yunglo rabjambe chakirshi jangwa choda keju jawa yapsi shida rimi kichin dume chungme zochi namna zu ka sarningi on cheso sabchu dambe duzi ngmi de sen tinzin gele wazerdan sona chumber sog duni soma ninju gi on chesum gi tsin sulu gi choga mambu pumba kanchi tsugi dagar je jawan chujuba chimbe duni rabtu chungshin kinchi pema tsang duni nyembar zo laba sungi jansin zinde todu jor zamling shanu yuju mambu jati nije nawe khabar ze 야합 mambu 담비 추게 저과 쭉데 견조 mambu 담비 추 거당 거신바오 지로 직동 국자 국주 고니 로니 제게 densa 침보 빨카르마 수만 시주 초골링 침보 차탑 림신 수만 시자 롱토노보 가차당 수마마세 롤리 텐다 템브레 제바 콩가 제메토 레바드디 기딩기 데치모 디니짱 지로 직동 국자 국주 고지 lor rabjung chudimpe chama log lor jige densa pachashi sumal hundu lindo shapsur khede kyabji kartin nami tsube labanam sershal hindu zonchi laban yongla chuda longje bunan yachimze hodan namge tse sarshingdang sheta sarshingi tsumbe jige densa nyamsuidang gidimba tsowe tunge chumba soge kadrin tate char suman gomba darge pinson sobe ngane ba mase suman duzi tildang suman do gomba so gola namda kamgi gomba mamburu pede ono chusumda ninguru zeba so dorna tabar bodu ten chuchal ha pene tindu ze rombochi kongal kisi ki gona jaru temba rombochi tini zingyun bebe chawa kona pidu jongwe 닝도다 지지 삼기 미처 요도 yor 더마세 템바 징균베베 차라도 징네 년자치와 아레 하와트 톨롭도 쇼네 톡주이 침버제데 졸라 rabjanbe 차크르 모수 셰주바다 다티차 rumboji 공나 중토양 땡뒤라 미베 학삼다 투기 진비 괴샤주디 야팅치다 sabja sumanninju ke temba tini ke opang la to de joy sonan ge pardo kui tsembe sijil hengi song tsanya ge nyembal hangi to kinzi yishil hamere shu de zabatle jang da kyunshin ba laso Tering gombo khan ke chashi bu kuyi chongkar da tap tu ne rumbo chi zechen thai ba gyatso tawule chudik zamchi shugyu karzan jungwan rinyi ki sonam da tarar dupe lopso tanji ki gyula nangara tebe sabun chunshin ngunju lame namta ni jinju lome nyamli yin she sungpa tar gombo khan ke namta semba la teni rangyu la nyamli da tindu la hasam chirge yungwe gyoro gyuwe ngolan da hakdun do gombo chok 다수 뒤지 용기 고모 담bar 끝이 샤베 세타이 병원 슝니 딘드르 된 라보침 기미 손조 득경에 소르데 랭갸 쇼와 라소 발딘 라멘 넘버 타발라 기지 산야 로타 미지시 지즈레 바 통이 무기지 라미친 라선라 조바 쇼 서로
Your Eminence Rinpoche, Honorable Sarda Madam, representative of Shri CM Sonam Lama and cabinet members, venerable Tukus, Kembos, monks from various monasteries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor and immense joy that I stand before you today to celebrate the auspicious occasion of His Eminence's birthday. We are privileged to be in the presence of such esteemed dignitaries and spiritual leader. First, I extend my warm welcome to honorable ministers and cabinet members. Your presence signifies the importance of today and the deep respect we all hold for His Eminence. To Venerable Tukus and Kembo, monks from various monasteries, your participation today brings a spiritual grace to our gathering, reflecting profound connection His Eminence has nurtured within our community and beyond. And to our distinguished guests and students from foreign students, thank you for joining us in this celebration. Your attendance underscores the board influence in a high regard for His Eminence's life and work. Thank you for joining with us to celebrate this auspicious occasion. With this, I would like to share a brief biography of the extraordinary individual that we honor today. Zulmang Gawang Rinpoche was born on 30th of June 1965, and prior to his birth, he was recognized by His Holiness the 16th Gelwa Karmapa as a 12th reincarnation of Gawang Tuku. He is the supreme lineage holder of Zulmang Ear Whisper lineage, Zulmang Nenjo. The unbroken line of Gawang Tuku begins in the 14th century with a great Mahasiddha, Dongmase, who is the first Gawang Tuku and the founder of Zulmang Kagyu tradition and Zulmang Namgyalse monastery in Tibet. He was identified by the 5th Gelwa Karmapa Deshin Sherpa as an omniscient emanation of the Indian Mahasiddha called Tiloba. This was the fulfillment of the prediction made by Tiloba after he received teachings directly from Vajra Yogini in the western land of Odiyana. At that time, Tiloba pledged to return to spread these teachings widely after they had been transmitted to 13 successive lineage holders. Before Tiloba's return, this set of teaching was to be limited to one-to-one transmission from each lineage holder to the next. And upon Tiloba's later emanation as a first Gawang Tuku, where they opened up to a larger audience. These teachings where they opened up to a large audience, these teachings from the core of Zulmang Ear Whisper lineage is also known as Dakini Ear Whisper lineage, Khanto Nenjo. This is how Surmankaji came into existence. In year 2022, we celebrated 600 years of its establishment. This is a brief history of Surmankaji. The 12th Surman Gawang Rinpoche was born in Sikkim to a father Yaptemba Jaso and mother Yung Princess Sonam Pelden, the daughter of King of Sikkim. Even before his birth, the 16th Karmapa identified him as a 12th Surman Gawang. His Holiness the Karmapa, who had shared to his attendant that the next reincarnation of Surman Gawang would soon occur. While attending a performance of a traditional Tibetan Dharma on a forecourt of Rumtek Monastery, during the Tiloba dance, a joy offering was made to Karmapa, and breaking the tradition, instead of accepting it himself, the Karmapa directed that gift to be given to Kawang Tugo. So saying that, he pointed to the surprised mother to be and announced that she is carrying 12 Surman Gawang Rinpoche in her womb. Few months later, the royal princess delivered her son at her residence in Gangtok. At town, Rinpoche's parents dispatched a messenger to go to Rumtek, 24 kilometers away, to inform His Holiness the Karmapa of a new arrival. However, the messenger could leave the house. The late Selja Rinpoche with party of monks was already at the door, bearing gift and a letter containing Karmapa's blessing for the newborn child. Even more surprising was that at the time when the new Tugu was born, the mother of the previous Gawang living in Tibet was heard joyously announcing Rinpoche has returned. He is born in a warm country where fruits and flower grows in abundance, and in the midst of bird song. Her description of the environment surrounding the birth of new reincarnation resembled the place where Rinpoche was born. In 1976, shortly after his 11th birthday, Kawang Rinpoche was installed on a lion throne as a 12th Surman Gawang. The ceremony took place in the assembly hall of Dharma Chakra Center in the presence of His Holiness 16th Kelwa Karmapa. It was well attended by many tulkus, monks and state dignitaries. Hundreds of well-wishers and devotees came from far and wide to witness the auspicious event. During the ceremonial enthronement, His Holiness the Karmapa gave Kawang Rinpoche his name, Karma Karwang Chetok Temba Namgel Tille Kinchap Pal Sambo, which means the victorious protector of Buddha Dharma with excellent qualities and auspicious activities. In addition, His Holiness Karmapa also predicted the founding of a new Surmankaji monastery outside Tibet, which would become an important center for the teachings and the practice of Buddha Dharma. In the year following his enthronement, Kawang Rinpoche received many personal empowerment, textual transmission, as well as oral instruction directly from his root Lama, the 16th Kelwa Karmapa. After the passing of His Holiness, Kawang Rinpoche studied at the Nalanda Buddhist Institute between 1981 and 1991 and graduated as a top student in the year 1991. Among his many main teachers were the late Kalu Rinpoche, the late His Eminent Jamgon Kongtrul Rinpoche, the late Tugu Ugyen Rinpoche, the late Khenchen Pema Petse Rinpoche, the late Shamapa, Situpa, and Gyasapa. In addition, he studied under the guidance of renowned Buddhist scholars such as late Khenchen Thangpo Rinpoche, Khenchen Chitim Jaso, who passed away recently, Khenchen Chodak Temple, Khenpo Chodin, as well as Khenpo Tenzin Pinso. To benefit students worldwide, in 2010, Rinpoche embarked on studying in one of the most prominent universities in West, Howard University, and received Master of Liberal Arts in Religion. And with immense effort and hard work, in 2022, Rinpoche received a deemed list certificate for the academic year. In 1987, while still an undergraduate, Kawan Rinpoche began his teaching career at Nalanda Buddhist Institute. Since then, he taught extensively in Dharma Center all over the world, in Europe, America, as well as in Asia. Zulman Center can now be found in Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Malaysia, Jakarta, Surabaya, Maidan, and Pekanbaru. The first Kajupa Dharma Center in Indonesia was also founded by Zulman Kawan Rinpoche in Jakarta in 1996. Zulman Kaju Center can also be found in Switzerland, Belgium, Boston, and in China. In August 1991, Kawan Rinpoche returned for the first time to his original seat in Zulman, Kham, now in Qinghai province. During the memorable visit, Kawan Rinpoche gave empowerment to well over 30,000 people. Many of them are tulkus, monks, as well as lay community. Thousands came to take refuge with him, and he gave personal blessings upon all those who came to greet him. Rinpoche presented many precious gifts to the people. Among them were towering gold-plated Buddha measuring 15 feet high and golden Dharma wheel flanked by 2 listening deers, as well as Kenjiri, a bell-shaped object symbolizing the ever-flourishing Dharma, which is traditionally placed on the roof of the monastery. During the brief stay in Tibet, Kawan Rinpoche actively encouraged and contributed generously to welfare projects throughout the region. In the same year, Rinpoche inspired to establish Zulman Kagyu Buddhist Foundation with the specific purpose of realizing his vision of more benevolent society in accordance with the spirit of Buddhism. To that end, he has initiated many community projects such as construction of roads, schools, medical dispensaries, homes for elderly people, and many charity programs out there. In 1992, Kawan Rinpoche commenced the construction of new seat for the Zulman Kagyu tradition in Lingdom, Sikkim. The seat covers approximately 28 acres of forest slope and on the hill facing Rumtik Monastery. In under 4 years, he transformed the landscape of Lingdom into a magnificent monastic complex, fulfilling the prediction of 16 Gyalwa Karmapa of a new Zulman Kagyu monastery outside Tibet. So with this, I would like to end up my speech. Before I leave from here, I would like to wish Rinpoche a happy 60th birthday. Today we celebrate not just a passing of another year, but the incredible journey of your life and the profound impact you have had on all of us. Your wisdom, kindness, and dedication have touched so many lives, and we are incredibly grateful to be among those who have benefited from your guidance. Your teachings have shaped our path and enriched our lives in many ways words cannot be fully expressed. As you reach this remarkable milestone, we wish you joy, good health, and all the happiness in the world. May this year bring you even more blessings and wonderful memories. Thank you for everything you have done for us. With deepest respect and warmest wishes, thank you so much. Felicitation.
Kamrimu Tashidile, Namaste to everyone. We would like to express a heartfelt congratulations for celebrating the birth anniversary of Rinpoche. Since the establishment of the seat for Zurmang Kagyu tradition in Lingdum, we, the local devotees, are so fortunate to receive continuous blessings of His Eminent Garwang Rinpoche. We are fortunate enough to be born here and also be a part of this monastery. Today, on the special occasion of celebrating the 60th birth anniversary of His Eminence, the 12th Zarmang Garwang Rinpoche, amidst the presence of Honorable Minister, Ecclesiastical Department, Sada Madam, Honorable MLA Sang Martam, and other dignitaries, Rinpoche family members and relatives, and faithful devotees from all around. We, the Burbing Thing Samaj, grasp this opportunity to present a letter of felicitation for his successful accomplishment of Dharma teachings. Before presentation, I would like to request Ms. Leong to read out the facilitation.
Born on 30th of June at Gangtok, Sikkim, through Father Tating Yapo, late Sonam Gamcho, and Mother Princess Sonam Palden. His Eminence Garwang Rinpoche is the 12th successive incarnation of the glorious emanation of Zurmang Garwang. He was enthroned at the seat of Rumtek Shedrup Chokorling, entitling Rinpoche the reincarnated Tulku of Gedong Cho King Dorji by 16th Gyalwang Karmapa in the year 1977, when he attained the age of 12. After having received basic training of reading and writing, Rinpoche studied and contemplated various text-related sutra, tantra, and literature under learned scholars and masters. Rinpoche has been giving teachings, empowerment in different monasteries and institutions regardless of hardship to uphold, preserve, and spread the sacred Dharma. He also received a Dean's List of Certificate for Academic Achievement upon completing his studies successfully from Harvard University. Furthermore, Rinpoche also received a Certificate of Appreciation from the seat of Rumtek Monastery, Pal Karma Sri Nalanda, in appreciation of his extraordinary achievements. Since the establishment of monastery at Lingdum under the guidance of His Eminence, Garwang Rinpoche, we, the devotees and locals, have been fortunate enough to receive his blessings. Hence, on the happy occasion of celebrating the 60th birth anniversary of His Eminence 12th Zurmang Garwang Rinpoche, we, the members of Burbing Teng Samal Samaj, extend our heartiest congratulations on celebrating 60th birth anniversary and pray for long life and successful accomplishment of mission to uphold, presence, and spread the sacred Dharma teachings. Place Lingdum, date 30th June 2024. Diki Choden Lepcha, President, Rabzong Lepcha, Vice President, and Furba Lepcha, General Secretary. Thank you.
Ko yep tamo golen chu ke antara Rinpoche ke chongar dan jer ke sung chin che to su nang ya do ante khong ke sebo ta dan ngo su chib chang nang we adi tia gole ho khong ma nyin ro shu re
Hamrimo Tashidilek Namaste. With the permission and blessings of His Eminence, the 12th Zulmang Garwang Rinpochela, the Honorable Minister, Government of Sikkim, Ven Sonam Lama, respected Madam Sada Pakring, Honorable MLA Sonam Chiring Venchumpa, Honorable MLA Madam Kalarai, former Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly D.N. Thakarpa, former Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly K.T. Galson, former Chief Secretary, Government of Sikkim, Madam Arangmu, Secretary, Ecclesiastical Department, Government of Sikkim, Dr. Pasam, all respected family members of Rinpochela, all respected Tulkus, Kempos, Dhammagurus and monks, all esteemed guests of the Rinpoche from Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Switzerland, Bhutan, Nepal and other neighboring countries, all other guests from Sikkim, India. On behalf of Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Sri Prem Singh Tamung, I would like to take this opportunity to read the Chief Minister's message on this auspicious occasion. Prem Singh Tamung Gole, Chief Minister Sikkim, DO number 74 CMO 24, dated 30th June 2024. Your Eminence, on this auspicious occasion of your 60th birth anniversary, I extend my heartiest birthday wishes and salutations to Your Eminence. Your guidance and teachings have illuminated the path for countless individuals, fostering wisdom, compassion, and spiritual growth. Your philanthropic activities helping the sentient beings around are always appreciated. May this year bring you abundant health, happiness, and continued success in your noble endeavors. We are deeply grateful for your unwavering dedication to the Dharma and the positive impact you have shared to the society. I also feel in my heart and remain indebted for your kind concerns and guidance, which has served as a great source of energy and inspiration for me. I was determined to be present personally on this auspicious day. However, owing to my inevitable tour program to Arunachal Pradesh, this time with deepest respect and reverence, I am felicitating Your Eminence through this letter with a hope that you will gracefully accept it. With high regards, sincerely, Prem Singh Tamung. Thank you so much, and I'd like to once again wish the Eminence Rinpochela a very warm birthday wishes, sir. Thank you.
Chabje Kaor Bojichola, Lapchin Tuki, Tamja Tembu, Tendu Chetang, Chedra Smo Kaju, Temba Tarje, Yune Cheddar. Kutse Shirbor, Yente, Tomi Jin, Zebat and Chana Jache, John and John Yijobu, Kadi Jatep Tanang, Metu Choyon, Chose Petader, Kadi Jesu Tembugon, and Medicoso took Tentang, Kutse Mehik, Jarwa Senta Ebon or Tenkin, Sabje Chojan Kolo, Parma, Chedo, Corvus, Netan, Rere, Tashib Zelatin, Temyuk, Tamber Sugar. Tate Chedu Tata. 아니 rinpoche 통과 된데 통과지 어디마 소래 노야도 대 창마라 아니 나야르샤 안데 마지 지요르 지신 시주다 되는 디기 제라다 메르코소 토텐데 아니 gonde 다성 가게 rinpoche 다다 메르코소 토데 자야 인디 아니 무슨 제람 디제라 쇼모고 첸다다마 데니 탑직데 쇼초바 치시 쇼야니 텔로 아니 제란 제로 치시 Zeran Dumba de la TV Jela, Densa Chimurum Delta, Densa Pachin Cholen, Bokar Nedon Chonkor, Lasso Donka Nomne, Medicason took Tentang, Tashi Bizella in the Temple Tamper Shujutang, Teneti Jela, Kodoto Nombatan, Trana Yinger, Ane Rambuchi, Kunchi Henge, Nombe Jadar Tang, and Jaka Tang, Trana Ying Medicason Tutte. On carapia matera piatan teni tig jela sajer khane pepe chosu namba tang tedon yo be chode namo yone ramba yin de tem yo tamber keche de ane rbo chikundila jaya to sin teni tig jela tuji yonde umji lanen donkor shite ani choba jog drje tang an nyengong sorts Nigo Jela, and the Sumo Temple of the Judges Mokawa, which you choke Shanghai, Mamoyon and Gombo Teba Media, Gong Gadis Judge, Auto Institute.
She doji
Hello to everybody. Just like to share a few words with you about my coming birthday. This time actually we are just having a simple celebration. And I know many friends from Taiwan, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and even from Australia and Macau, and also due to visas issue, many could not come this time, and also it was in short notice because we never planned to have this celebration. However, many of the Lama from the monastery wanted to have this celebration because according to Tibetan calendar, I'm 60 years old man. In Western calendar, I'm 58 and going to be 59. But anyway, I'm so happy to have all my friends here during this celebration, and particularly I would like to thank friends who have come from very far away, and also who have sent all the best wishes and love from many different countries. So I would like to just say thank you very much for all your support, and I will definitely remember all of you in my prayers. May you always be happy, healthy, and prosperous. Thank you very much.